All right, hi everybody. Welcome to our Saturday night NBA break. If this is your first time, welcome. If this is your repeat customer, welcome back. Tonight we got a few NBA packs and hanger boxes and blaster boxes for you that we're going to be opening. If you're new, I'd just like to go over our kind of not rules, but how we do everything here. If it's a rookie card that we have, we do put those in sleeves. Same with any inserts. If it's a hit, we put those in top loaders. Everything will be mailed out in team bags and in bubble mailers. Since today's Saturday night, it'll go out in Monday's mail. It's what we have tonight. We have a couple packs. We have a value pack for 2020 to 21 Panini Contenders. In here, we're looking for some rookie season tickets. We also have Prism for 2020 to 21. This is going to have a bonus pack, which is going to include 3 red, white, and blue Prism cards. Hangers, we have here 2020 to 21 Mosaic. And in here, we're looking for orange prisms. We have 2 Chronicles for 2020 to 2021. In here, we are looking for some base classics. And then blasters, we have Illusions. Looking for Emerald and Ruby parallels in here. And for Flux. And in here, we should have 2 Mojo Prisms. We're hoping for some sort of good hit for tonight. If you were with us last night for baseball, we actually pulled a 1 of 5 Ken Griffey Jr. autograph. So we're hoping to keep that streak up for tonight. Just to go through our participants for tonight, we have Thomas with the Hawks, Celtics, Nets, Hornets, and Bulls. Patty with the Cavaliers. Joe with the Mavericks. Thomas with the Nuggets and Pistons. Jeffrey with the Warriors. Thomas with the Rockets and Pacers. Leslie with the Clippers. Joe with the Lakers. Thomas with the Grizzlies and Heat. Joe with the Bucks. Jeffrey with the Timberwolves. Thomas with the Pelicans, Knicks, Thunder, and Magic. Douglas with the 76ers. Thomas with the Suns, Trailblazers, and Kings. Douglas with the Spurs. And Thomas with the Raptors, Jazz, and Wizards. We're going to do our packs first and start off with contenders. So good luck, everybody. And we start off with Miles Turner, Zach LaVine, Klay Thompson, Karis LeVert, Pascal Siakam, Kobe White, Bojan Bogdanovic, Russell Westbrook, Jaylen Brown, Joel Embiid, Goran Dragic, Montrezl Harrell, Kevin Durant, Lauri Markkanen, Jamal Murray, Mitchell Robinson, R.J. Barrett, Devin Booker. There's a green parallel, Kyrie Irving. International, Steven Adams. Game night, Luka Doncic. And a red game night for Giannis. There's our Giannis for the Bucks. And we'll do our Prism next. Two packs in here. We have our bonus pack and our regular pack. So we'll do the regular pack first. And we have Tristan Thompson, Gordon Hayward, DeAndre Ayton, Kevin Huerter, Thaddeus Young, Draymond Green, PJ Washington Jr., Green Prism, Fred VanVleet, Green Prism rookie of Kara Lewis Jr., USA Basketball of Steph Curry, rookie Nick Richards, OG Anabati, and Caleb Martin. Just sleeve up a couple of our rookies. There's Steph Curry. And in here we'll have our red, white, and blue cards. And we have Bismack Biyombo, Jeremy Grant, and CJ McCollum. And we're going to do our Mosaic hanger next. Again, we're looking for 4 reactive orange prisms. Any rookie variations in here. An exclusive script orange for rookies and regular veterans. There's our cards, our empty box. And for Mosaic, we have Paul Millsap, Marcus Smart, Fred VanVleet, Domantas Sabonis, Tyus Jones, Hamidou Diallo, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Rui Hachimura, Danilo Gallinari, rookie card of Reggie Perry for the Nets, National Pride Russell Westbrook, rookie card Jahimus Ramsey, rookie card for Denny Avdija. There's one of our reactive prisms, Karis LeVert, green prism of Grayson Allen, orange prism for Nikola Jokic, orange prism for Royce O'Neal, orange prism for Jason Tatum, orange prism of Steve Nash, an all-time great, Hall of Fame, Allen Iverson, and an Elevate for Jason Tatum. just going to sleeve a couple of these up. There's our Steve Nash orange. All right, and then next we're going to do our Chronicles. Again, we're looking for some base classics in here. Also some green parallels. And maybe even some Hometown Heroes rookie red parallels. So getting that opened. So there's our cards, our empty box. And starting off, we have Tyrese Halliburton, rookie for the Kings. Kristaps Porzingis, a rookie for the Knicks, Emmanuel Quickley. Nikola Vucevic, rookie Tyrese Maxey. Kevin Durant. There's our first rookie for Anthony Edwards. Gordon Hayward. Rookie Peyton Pritchard. Rookie Desmond Bane. Rookie Obi Toppin. Rookie Cole Anthony. Rookie Malachi Flynn. Another Emmanuel Quickley rookie. Peyton Pritchard. Emmanuel Quickley. Tyrese Halliburton. Rookie for the Rockets, Jayshawn Tate. Killian Hayes, rookie for the Pistons. There's one of our classics, Zion Williamson and Giannis. Rookie Devin Vassell. Rookie Onyeka Okongwu. Green parallel Kyrie Irving. A green of Denny Avdija, rookie. Another Denny Avdija. This one's Panini Honors. Rookie Theo Maledon. Rookie Aaron Nesmith. Moses Brown, rookie. And green of Bradley Beal. There's our Anthony Edwards Prestige rookie. And we'll do our last hanger. There's our cards, our empty box. And here we have rookie Obi Toppin, Zach LaVine. There's a James Wiseman rookie prestige. Donovan Mitchell. Theo Maledon. Nikola Jokic. There's a prestige rookie for Denny Avdija. Russell Westbrook. Another Russell Westbrook. Kyle Lowry. Rookie Carol Lewis Jr. Rookie Jayshawn Tate. Rookie Onyeka Okongwu. Tyrese Maxey. Rookie Alexei Povageski. Rookie Aaron Nesmith. Luka Doncic. There's our first LaMelo Ball rookie. This one's from Playbook. Peyton Pritchard. Classics, Sadiq Bey rookie. Another Classics green parallel this time for Denny Avdija. Green for Kevin Durant. And Luka Doncic. Green threads for Denny. A green Kawhi Leonard. There's a Crusade LaMelo Ball. Killian Hayes. Kenyon Martin Jr. Sabin Lee. And green Xavier Tillman. There's James Wiseman for the Warriors. There's a Playbook LaMelo Ball rookie. And our green Crusade for LaMelo Ball. Both of those going to the Hornets. We'll do our Illusions next. And here again, we're looking for the Emerald and Ruby parallels. It's also possible for the retail exclusive Starlight parallels. There's our packs, empty box. So 6 cards per pack, 6 packs. Good luck. And here we have Serge Ibaka, Mason Plumlee. Rookie Reflections. We'll have to randomize this between the Spurs and Thunder It's going to make sure they don't go to the same people. But Tony Parker and Theo Maladon. Joe Harris. And rookie Jayshawn Tate for the Rockets. And rookie Lamar Stevens for the Cavs. All right, next pack. Terrence Ross. Michael Porter. Jason Tatum. Mike Conley. PJ Washington Jr. And rookie card of James Wiseman. All right, next pack we have Jarrett Culver. We have an autograph trophy collection. James Silas for the Spurs. Season highlights, Chris Paul. Andrew Wiggins. Nathan Knight rookie for the Hawks. And Kira Lewis Jr. rookie for the Pelicans. All right, so there's our autograph. First one for tonight. James Silas. That one's going to Douglas. Next pack. And we have Dennis Schroeder. Norman Powell. Rookie Xavier Tillman for the Grizzlies. Malcolm Brogdon. Jonas Valanciunas. And rookie CJ Ellaby for the Trailblazers. Next pack. And we have Malik Monk. Draymond Green. Amazing Kevin Durant for Brooklyn. Kevin Love. Isaiah Stewart. And rookie of Mason Jones for the 76ers. And there's our amazing insert for Kevin Durant. And then this is our last Illusions pack of the night. And we have Kobe White, Kendrick Nunn, John Morant, Buddy Hield, Isaiah Roby, and rookie Josh Green for the Mavericks. All right, and then to finish off, we have our Flux blaster. We're looking for 2 Mojo Prisms in here. Possibly a autograph would be nice. All right, there's our packs, our empty box. And here we have Dorian Finney-Smith, rookie Adoko Azubuike, and Al Horford. All right, next pack. Chris Middleton. There's one of our prisms for Kyrie Irving. And Robin Lopez. Kelly Oubre Jr., rookie Isaac Okoro, and Shake Milton for the 76ers. All right, next pack. Kevin Durant. Here we go. We will randomize this. It's a Deja Vu, Anthony Edwards, Dwayne Wade. And for the Bucks, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Right, next pack, we have Justin Holiday, rookie Jalen Smith for the Suns, and Harrison Barnes. All right, this will be our last pack of the night. Then we have 2 cards. Just going to see if we have to randomize them or not, because they are split between 2 teams. We got Montrezl Harrell. There's our other prism, Trey Jones, rookie for the Spurs, and Fred VanVleet. All right, let's just check these 2 cards real fast. Yep, so for this one, let's just move a couple things out of the way. We have the Timberwolves for Anthony Edwards. That's Jeffrey. And the Heat with Dwayne Wade, that will be Thomas. So what we'll do is we randomize the numbering here between 1 to 100. If it's odd, the card will go to the Timberwolves. If it's even, it will go to the Heat. Even, so that one will go to the Heat. And here, we have the Spurs, who is Douglas, and the Thunder, who is Thomas. So we'll do Spurs odd, Thunder even. That one's even, so that one will go to the Thunder. All right, thank you again, everybody. We have our next basketball coming up next Saturday night. If you'd like to join us for that one. If you want to join us later on tonight, we have football that will be in about an hour. Again, we appreciate everybody joining in, and we will see you soon. Thank you.